Trane Air Conditioning Services in Arizona by American Cooling and Heating. We provide and service Trane Air Conditioning, Trane Heat Pumps, Trane gas and electric furnaces, and we also service all other brands and types of air conditioning and heating units and systems. American Cooling and Heating has one of the best reputations in the industry, providing service for Phoenix and all surrounding cities and towns in Arizona. Our expert technicians are courteous and polite and will provide you with the highest quality of service. All of our service trucks are fully stocked to get your air conditioning or heating system up and running quickly. American Cooling and Heating, 24-hour Trane air conditioning repair service and installation.